guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday the 29th. I already went to the gym today. I think I'm actually going, I hate this thing. So I think I'm going to film a clean with me and try to get that up in the next couple days. Maybe I'll insert a couple clips of like part of the video and that way pique your interest to go watch that video. I don't know. Yeah, so I went to the gym this morning. I did not feel like going. I literally got there and I was walking the treadmill because I didn't want to do anything super crazy. I just really wanted to go, kind of wake up. I went about 10. Okay. I went about 10 and then we went to Chick-fil-A. I got some chicken nuggets and fries. Yeah, I still ate bad, but it was tracked, it's there. I'm still 1,500 calories, I think. I can actually check on here, my Fitness Pal. 1474 calories left after my Chick-fil-A, so I burned almost 500 calories and my lunch was 620 between the fries and then the chicken nuggets because I didn't have a bun. It was just straight protein and fat because potatoes. And so now I am going to film that clean with me. And then I want to edit some nail videos because I think by the time you see this, all of the nail videos that were on this channel are now fully on that channel, and then the new videos are now going on that channel. So they will no longer be on here. And then my fitness stuff is still on that new fitness Instagram, which is No Excuses Vanessa. It's like a hilarious name when I say it, but you know, I'm really trying to keep that, like I still want to update, but like hi Demi, I still want to give like updates here. I'm not stopping. Look how happy he is. Oh, it's a Demi's. No. Yeah, and then I'm gonna finish probably open orders today. I did laundry yesterday. I did a lot of things yesterday, so yeah, I'm pumped. Let's do a clean with me. Your lies, I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. And all the words you speak mean nothing more to me. 'Cause I'd start over now. Rewind. Oh, I'm even more red, and you can hear my vacuum going somewhere. Marco, where are you? There you are. Because I just did a clean with me, and oh, we got something new on my face. Yeah, we're here. I just did the clean with me. I gotta figure out how to edit that. I'm hoping to get it up this week, and you will see. I want to get it up before this vlog because I may show parts of it in this vlog, like just quick parts. I got to figure out how to edit it, and I have to figure out like the disclaimer because I know everyone cleans differently. You know, this was not a super deep clean. This is, hey, it's been a week. Let's take a look. Some of the things I may have cleaned a little bit more than I normally do in my Saturday sweep. But I gotta figure out how to put like, just because I use these products doesn't mean that your products are wrong, or like, you may not find this super deep cleaning for you, but you know, it's just me and my husband, like it's just us, like this is just what I decided to clean today. So I don't know, I gotta figure it out. I may not just put anything, I may just leave it alone, or you know, I may do a voiceover. I haven't decided. But yeah, I think it was fun, and I think maybe I'll do maybe another one like later, like maybe next month of like my master bedroom. I don't know. They're kind of fun to film because it's like you feel like you're doing it for a reason because, you know, cleaning sucks anyway. Oh, my mascara is like all down my face. I look like I got punched in the face. Probably because I, you know, sweated really bad today. And then you can tell, I think these come out more when I work out, and then the fact that I'm just running around my house did not help. So I want to go shower. And then we'll maybe edit the video because I kind of want to edit. I want to see what like the filming looks like because obviously the most time is probably going to be in my kitchen. So yeah, I'm gonna jump in the shower. Hello. This may be the last place you saw me. I don't know. I'm trying to think when was the last time. I don't remember actually like at all. It's almost 11. I'm about to go to bed. Super red face and all. I went to Target today, had a huge hit. So I think I'm gonna do a try on haul. I'm down a size. It's so exciting. I mean, I've lost weight, but I haven't lost like, I think I've lost 9 pounds, which I mean is a lot, but it's not really, especially someone for my size because I'm 5'8" and I have a lot to lose. Which people are gonna be like, no you don't, and people are gonna be like, yeah girl you do. Yeah, either way, my goal is still quite a way. But now it's 2 sizes away. So, I mean, I noticed my pants, which are size 12. Hi, internet. Yes, I'm not a small girl. I'm not a big girl. I'm just your average chick. Now I'm in a size 10. So my goal is to be a healthy size 6, but that's like a drastic drop between a 10 and a 6. I mean, it's 2 sizes, but like it's 2 drastic different sizes. I feel like between a 10 and a 12, it's not really that huge of a difference, like at all. Between a 10 and a 6, it's almost like going from a 16 to a 12, but like 12 to 10 isn't much. And I know there's 2 there, but like I feel like the 1 size isn't a lot, but when you go to jump 2 sizes, that's when it's a lot. So I'm pretty happy about that. The weight may not be coming off, probably because I'm gaining muscle. And that's kind of what I'm gonna assume, because I'm eating to lose weight. Every week I've been deficient 1 or 2 pounds, and it does not necessarily mean it came off, but maybe in like 1 week I may gain a half a pound and I'm down like 2 pounds via numbers. But the following week I could be down 3 pounds. So my body hangs on to weight very differently. So I'm trying to go with a overall and not trying to focus on the daily. Well, that's hard because I'm one of those crazy people, but like the weekly. Like this week I was up 0.4, but I should be, via numbers, I should have been down almost a full pound, if not a little bit more. So again, I don't know, it is what it is. This is, if you watch my clean with me at the end, this is the washi I saved right here on my big nose. I think you guys are gonna like the clean with me if you like those types of videos. I like those types of videos. Like I'm still trying to interject, yeah, I guess that's the right word, some interesting things and trying to keep it a little bit more interesting. So, oh, I deleted all my footage from the clean with me. So I may have to go back to the clean with me video and cut some and put some in it. Yeah, I like adding a little bit more of an artsy shot, so. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm literally holding the camera, so if you're extra close today, I am so sorry. So my kitchen is still sort of clean. I am about to go to the gym. again with these great angles. I should know better. I mean, you know, kind of one of those things. Maybe I'll put you in a cabinet and then I don't have to hold you. But then you just became real dark. I don't know. I don't know how to do these vlog things. Let's see. I'll stand in front of the window. How about that? Is that like normal? Anyway, so I've edited the Clean With Me 2 vlogs and the Plan With Me. So I'm good until the 7th of October. So I'm doing every other day, which that's like was my original plan, and then daily vlogging kind of sped it up and then added nail videos in there. So a lot of times it was like 4 to 5 videos a week, which isn't every other day. I really want every other day. But I think I'm gonna be able to get kind of a schedule for every other day. My vlogs aren't too far behind. I think today is the 30th. It's the last day of September, which is crazy. I'm coming up on my 1 year of marriage, which is crazy because we've been dating so long. It's like, oh yeah, 1 year, great. But like we dated, I think by the time we got married, it was 11 years we had been together. And now, so 1 year of marriage is like, we've only been together a year. No, we've been together now 12 or 13 years, which is crazy. We're old. I'm gonna be 30 next year, which is crazy. But yeah, I had a lot of fun with the Clean With Me, and like watching back the video, I think I got, like, it's really different. Hold on, no, you don't need to hold. It's really difficult to edit those because I want the, open things drive me crazy, by the way. I really wanted the like fast forward speed to be the same speed kind of through all the clips, but like certain areas were like a lot shorter. Like the kitchen was the longest cleaning period, and like cleaning the stove and like all these things. So one could be 5 minutes or 7 minutes, but another area could be like 2 minutes. So I didn't want to, like, I don't know, let's say 5 times exit each time. I wanted it to kind of come down to between 30 and 45 seconds. Well, I think I finally got it. So I want to do a try-on haul for the Target stuff because I dropped a size. I'm so excited. That probably looks terrible in the vlog camera, but I'm so happy. I am now a size 10. You can use just your 2 hands. I'll never get to 1 hand. This is my goal. This is where I am. This is my goal. So I have 2 sizes to drop. 2 sizes to drop, yeah. So I am gonna go to the gym now. Like I said, I've always wanted to be a healthy size 6. That's kind of like my end goal. So if I lose maybe 20 more pounds, because I've lost about 42. So if I lost 4 sizes, so every 10 pounds is a size, which doesn't really make sense. I think the bigger you are, like I said this, I think yesterday, the sizes, but I think if I drop another 20 pounds to 25, I'll be in that size 6 range. Maybe 30. 30 is like ultimate goal because that brings me into a, yeah, that brings me into a normal category. I'm no longer, I was obese, now I'm just overweight. So I would like to get in a standard normal weight. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym. You're dying. I mean, you are not dying. My camera is dying. So yeah, I'm gonna go. And I really wanna vlog Oktoberfest. Eggtoberfest, I'm sorry, Eggtoberfest. So hopefully in a couple weeks I'll vlog that too, even if it's just like a few little cameos. So okay, I will see you after the gym.
All around this empty town, I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware, keep moving like the sky.
So we went to Sprouts and I figured impromptu fridge tour. I don't think I changed my batteries. So Mike likes these drinkable yogurts. I can't seem to get behind them at all. We have chimichurri flank steak. We have this chicken breast that has spinach and feta in it. We got some ground beef that we're gonna freeze. It was $7 exactly, 2 pounds, awesome. I got chicken for my thing that I make. You guys have seen it a million times. Mashed potatoes for the next 2 days. Bunch of chicken breasts. All my veggies for my thing, you know. And then my favorite part. That's for Eggtoberfest, so don't judge me. Yes, yes, yes. It is 2/3 of a cup, 180. Not terrible, not the best, but it's delicious, so yeah. My impromptu Sprouts trip for dinners this week. All right, so we went to Sprouts today and I got this. I didn't even know it said organic. I just got it because, I mean, come on. Does that not look delicious? So, serving size is 2/3 of a cup. So I have 1/3 of a cup. And the smallest container I can literally find. Although I'm sticking with this. And it was really, okay, so it's not soft anymore. When we got home from the store, it was pretty soft. I guess it's soft for a spoon, not for some. I'm not the type of person that's gonna be super exact with this. I'm not gonna lie. So if you're expecting me to be like crazy exact, yeah, not gonna happen. That actually fits more ice cream than I expected. Okay. This may actually all just come out. Okay. This might be 2 healthy scoops. Okay. And break it. That's how strong I am. Okay, well, that's going away. I mean, granted, I use the smallest cup we own, but still.